Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here.
Sami.
Yeah, so today in this video we are going to take a quick look at the Redmi K60 Pro.
And K60.
Yeah, so we will test the camera, the sound. Already done the unboxing, so I'm not gonna unbox in this video.
Yeah, don't forget we will also have the video about K60E.
Yeah.
And then Redmi Watch 3, right?
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, and please make sure to subscribe to our channels.
Like.
Yeah, link in the description.
And share the video.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Let's get started. So, right, the K60 Pro here. On top, both phones have that infrared blaster. And this side, nothing. Here, bottom, speaker, SIM card tray. I guess they don't have a SD card expansion. Type-C port. I'm moving to this side. Power button and volume rocker, and that's it. Both phones features in-display fingerprint scanner. All right, not like the K60E. So that's the screen. That's how the front looks like. Okay, now let's just watch some videos, to test the sound quality, which you guys really like. I know.
新机到手并。
Alright, now the K60 Pro. And if you are interested in Antutu, here you go. Alright, so this is the K60. Antutu highest temperature is 40.1 degrees Celsius. Alright, now that is the K60 Pro. The Antutu is the highest among the three, right? It's not reaching 1.3 million, but it's quite impressive, 1.2. And now the camera tests. Alright, K60 Pro. So both phones supports 1080p 60 fps front camera recording. That's great, right? Before like Xiaomi 13 Pro, Xiaomi 13 they didn't even have that. Alright, 60 Pro. Both like look stable, right? Not bad. Alright, so about the rear camera, so both phones support up to 8K 24 FPS, that's crazy. I normally use 4K 60 FPS. Here are some footage of 4K 30. now let me do the 4K 60 FPS. Now I'm doing now I'm doing the horizontal way, 4K 60 FPS. Both phones looks really stable. Both phones looks really stable. That's a good thing. Okay. So that's it, the Redmi K60 Pro and the K60. So what do you think, Sami?
I think they are very similar, but they improve in the wireless charging.
Yes, yeah. So what do you think of the wireless charging?
How can I say? They put something that we cannot see in the affordable phones. But for me, I think it's like personal use. I don't like to use a wireless charger because I'm always a little lazy and I like the cables. I like old stuff, but like Diego uses wireless charge every day.
So me, I don't know, because currently I'm using the Ugreen charger as I've shown in the before. It hits a lot, and very slow. So I'm not used that often either. So I'm not sure, but it's better to have one, right?
Yeah.
So with such affordable price, with so much to offer, I think it's a solid buy. If you consider.
Especially when your battery runs out and nobody have cable, and then you can use the other phone to charge. This is the situation when I use.
That's maybe one way. So what do you think? Do you even have a wireless charger? Let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching.
Don't forget to give the like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Bye bye. Great. I think it's great.